Yeah, and this season we'll not waste our time on things that we've said before. You can't try my tram your crane. Yeah, back and forth me.
Okay.
I say Obia Mr. Wetifu, Obia any meeting be out baby, any article 13 be with mama. We don't have any article 13 production article be our. We discuss say about foreign analysis. The production is done by myself and my production team. Richardo doesn't have a hold on it. It's Mr. or two and Yana Gumani. As small can you know correct. So do Manchester United. We'll talk about Manchester United. But Manchester United near this house.
Meeting oh baby.
See, we will be at a meeting.
No.
We don't meeting.
Me say Oba meeting
We don't meeting.
Unless you are telling me say be a day near yes I meeting now we know. Producers Fatilo, Zando, in fact boys didn't know be aware.
Fatilo so boy.
Fatilo bra, better not say.
Also boy, me say time we give traps young. Obe ya da fi da be ya dey so boy.
Kofi kariki. Agwanye penti mama to bi ni akofa. Kariki.
Na say first match. I didn't know woman here is I didn't.
How gonna so say niama na bia o.
Oh, there be a first match.
Yes, ye be pamana. No shot touch be 3.
Oh.
Aya yen keep no for bo say ne niama na. Michael Carrick. First season and Kofi nim de me yapa. Say ya bought against Hull. Now you ntimi keep it clean sheet. Omo keep it clean sheet. The last time as Uncle Kofi with him say 1964. Holy, 1964. The last time we do say no. Carry kid well. If you quite na too.
Just rarely in the season. Which season has started? I didn't meet the partner say season, you know. Omo try your bet code ni be from bet to you know, omo first.
Okay.
And we started the season on a very good note, just like Team BT said Madrid and Barcelona. And Nhyira, who's a rich, what beside me several times about Barca. My catcher several times say me share Barca team now. One of the things I think is going to be more Achilles heel, or my biggest strength. We probably will not find out until later on in the season is the fact say I think this season Barca will be able to boast of about 3 or 4 or 5 consistent goal scorers. So a team elusi Robert Lewandowski, elusi
Ferran
Torres, and now Shego Kramer Paris Saint-Germain. Still Julian Alvarez deal no one way for a player in mind. But it is very clear in itself say Oshe Barca team now, it's a team that can get multiple goals. And then say if Lepico the next say now the different kinds of goal scorers are Barca for here on the day. Omunya 3 separate goal scorers. In Fasope and Kofo Munya goal contributions that they were 4. Because Anthony Gordon Babema assist. Karim Adeyemi share goal. Femi Lopez share 2 goals. And Rafinha also share another goal with team. Or say another 2 goals with team. So all we are share Elche 5 goals to 0. Now the afternoon before Julian Alvarez deal in Korea, but to be able to get 5 goals from 4 goal contributors no, is a very important one for Tima, your friend of Football Club Barcelona, and I think that is Adebakwa they will be good on. Your starting season, you know, they just had a job to do. They had just one job to do, and that's exactly what they went on to go and do. And Rich, look out for Femi Lopez this season. Say, Barca players that will be unsung. Look out for Femi Lopez. Enra, Pedri did not start the game. Abrantia, your friend Dani Olmo did not start the game. It was close to the halftime. Eddie who said, "Na Gavi e praso ni kotoje." That is when Abrantia friend Pedri e bemba bobi. And when he came on, you could tell the quality of play. Mark Banal, F1 Fiifi, the directness that they be a can want them say, Hansi-Dieter Flick has married that Spanish style of play and the directness of the German football. Once Mark Banal won that ball in the middle, he found Abrantia friend Lamine Yamal, who then teed up to Abrantia, your friend Rafinha. Then Karim Adeyemi quietly slotted his first goal home to make sure Barcelona were up by 2 goals to 0. Into 2 assists for Rafinha, 2 goals for Rafinha, 2 assists for Anthony Gordon, and then 2 goals for Abrantia, your friend Femi Lopez in that regard. So you will give a lot of credit to Barcelona boys for Nana Joe Ejuma Kokoya away at Elche. Before then on Saturday, Madrid had gone to Barcelona. And it wasn't going to Barcelona to go and play against Football Club Barcelona, but they're going to Barcelona to go and play against Espanyol. And it is always a game that Madrid echo always talk about against Espanyol. I had any straightforward match, sir. For the very first time, I was thinking, say, on paper, Jose Mourinho was going to go and have a front three of Yan Diomande, Kylian Mbappe, and a brand friend of Vinicius Jr. Yeah, let's go back. But he didn't start like that. He started the whole game in a front three of Ada Güler from the wide, then had Mbappe through the middle, then had a brand friend of Vinicius Jr. from the left-hand side with Jude Bellingham. And it is clear for Jose Mourinho, he wants to make Jude Bellingham do the job that he knows how to do. Close to the box. Umpe goes the mano, making sure say almost every point in time. So here goes a brand friend Jude Bellingham beats me and Yamano. Senior Beya, when the game becomes tough, no Pobi, not Vini goes in my Mbappe goes in by no he'll be betting you standing up. No Ape goes Namana. Then he can counter a brand friend Jude Bellingham. I was not surprised. See a starting game, no, he got that first goal for them. And technically, if you want to find the archetype of one of the best box-to-box midfielders, especially in the opponent's box, yen crash a box ni late, yen baba ball into. Let's come from the behind side of the defender and be tap in. Let's kick it from outside of the box. Sir, awareness and intuitiveness, more or less, as he saw a centre forward to get a job done. No? Jude Bellingham is one of the best in that regard as a midfielder, whether you like it or not. Especially on the nights where Vinicius Jr. for one, which the performance thing here. I think that just the first game that he played, and you would have to be patient for Abrante friend Vinicius Jr. But the performance on the first night was not good at all for Abrante friend Vini. Mbappe tried something. I said something and I'll say it again. In 2026, I won't say it. In football, there are multiple forms of it. I don't think Jose Mourinho tactically beats a lot of the managers in it. When you put Hansi Flick, now the Jose Mourinho Jinaha, from the tactical point of view, I think comfortably, Hansi Flick will be able to coach a system, a structure, a tactical game plan, probably better than Jose Mourinho, especially when I'm playing against teams who are very stubborn to break down. But the strength of Jose Mourinho going into this season will come from two specific things. The experience as a manager in dealing with players with huge ego. And that is what Football Club Real Madrid wanted this season. Manager Obeba. And he doesn't have to work too hard to convince the players and boys to buy into his game plan or system. Two, the experience of Jose Mourinho will now move to the point. So to me, using the bench in a year, what they call the squad usage, or to me in a year, Madrid will constantly be fine. I'll give you an example if we move to the next slide of this boy, Carlos SP. Madrid, Carlos SP, no. It was in the blind side of Obia. Omato Yandi on Monday, so people thought, okay, now Madrid has a right winger, so Mbappe can now play through the center. But Jose Mourinho, immediately he entered Madrid, knew that no matter what, they need a certain number 9. Obi oye natural, it comes to him. And then Mbappe mo ye convert you to get goals because on him go ni say ni there be. Ye play or no, ni su and the buy that of a number 9. So they went on and got Carlos SP into the team. And so now, whether you want the height, the physicality, the ball playing ability, reading of the game in the box and pouncing on it to get a job done, Carlos SP has it. And again, for a player from that level in the Spanish La Liga to move to Football Club Real Madrid, like he said, it was a dream for him. It will be able to be successful at Football Club Real Madrid. Now, this is where the squad usage came in. Madrid in the dying embers of the game were drawing the match. 1-1. Wafa Akwakof where the Ada Gulema ba where Jude Bellingham Mefrimu. He has tried to bring extra players to come and stretch play, and that gets goals for them. They were struggling to break down El Chifono, chance after chance. Because with Unibibi, when you play in such a system, saying Jose Mourinho, now you are not playing with a natural center forward. Or number 9, especially like Obit Mbappe, they be all drop it off. It's Vini creative from the left. The amount they are obey from the right. Where you had a good film. Now these are natural wingers. But so who the natural wingers? But you need somebody in the box. Our no Gina Hodum 24/7. Keeping the attention of the centre backs and who open up space for you. But immediately Jose Mourinho realized, okay, baby, this is why I bought Carlos SP.
Number 9 present.
That's all. So the Mbappe so can now be free and play as a second striker. But when you go back and you look at the goal, the ball came from the right. Yandy Omondi. He cuts the ball across the face of Go Mbappe Beji. Mbappe J ball, the 2 centre backs were following him. Okonjo 1-2 na Carlos SP. Mbappe J finished him. Then because the 2 centre backs were following Mbappe, he could now slot home. It is the brilliant squad management of our brand here, your friend Jose Mourinho, in that Madrid team. So to me, he may not be the best tactical brain, and I stand by it. So in 2026, there are a lot of young, progressive, better managers from that point of view. But Jose Eki that experience. He has that management, and he has that authority based on Yawaya in the job. And if he's in a team like Madrid, the tendency of succeeding is also there. I don't know if Enzo Maresca was lucky. And I say, because Nyama Mika is a rich. Okay, say you're going to go. And the history around it. And now, go now just cover your say. No, winning against Bournemouth despite trailing the 84th minute. No, latest turnaround since 2011-2012. Go Romasha, a wet pa. It's that goal and now, which was supposed to be the first game of Enzo Maresca as a manager. I think that City team, a lot of changes have gone through them. I don't doubt Enzo Maresca. Honestly speaking, as a coach, I think he's a brilliant manager. But Newman kitty, who the starting lineup? In the middle of the ball match, what's his name? Nico Reali on top of the diamond. And about 2 midfielders. Then added Phil Foden to the pack. He is struggling to get a balance in the team. In fact, Okobo Abdul Kusinov at fullback. If Maresca is able to nitpick the team together, they will get a job done. But one thing about the City team is the fact that they have seen it at the top before. So in times where they needed to calm down and deliver, they were able to do that. And this time, Nea Brent, your friend, Josco Vardiol, I like this from the City fans. To say, welcome back Enzo Maresca as a manager. And no, he looked towards the stance and of course, Busia for him. Which I'm not surprised by the United results. And everyone say you are surprised by the United results. Everyone say, oh, you're surprised by the United results.
I didn't get any surprise.
Which Saturday, me no analysis know how. Yeah. And I told you, say the midfield na mukitano. If you are playing against a team that sits back, and you see, funny enough, Saturday was the very first day, and this is a tactical board, Nanka say use board. And it was the Manchester United game. And I told you that's all go away to Hull City. You will play against a team that knows that ball who are quality players channel. So what such teams do usually is to sit back, be compact, and then use the unorthodox ways of scoring you, not from open play. Yeah. It do share 2 goals I'm considering from set plays, corner kicks. Because ball running ball up to the 88th minute, now United in creating chance. 88 minutes. And United was struggling without the ball. Match here, United for so Fiifi. I said no kind. You do Tillemans on team in America.
How many kind?
Oh, but the United fans who video now go posting go muguasieka. So only Klinsmann see who are say hey, how you show. Now as now referee now him say what to studio.
And now both lang.
Oh, I feel like a match. You champion Alonso.
I can't feel like a match. It's now about the cheche mun bebre.
Champion Alonso.
And as I was on cheche man now oh host no. Fulham nya match bia.
Ye mo match e ball china no abeka. Ye odi ne da. Onso ru kopia se Fulham. What go away to Hull City. You're promoting by this season. One thing I shall not.
I go for no tactically. I tell you. Tactical. Born on me about. I'm going to 80 hours anymore. Oh, see, we only do no. Make you have slot on the internet. And don't do anymore. Is it all about for no boxing? And I be a center circle in Timor. Apart from no anymore,
which the United team lacks physicality.
No, of course, especially a midfield.
Plus, I spoke about more lack of natural wingers in the starting 11. Okay. And it is very, very important to note that.
Dogulu didn't change the person born as a winger. I didn't.
Namo winger be. Right? Left winger, Safina Marcus.
Ah, Mikey Carrick. Sadio is over Chichim. Dogu or Dogudo.
Dogo's a day.
On to Kasan call Okona Jobu Oscar. Oh, my boy. And then I think that's over Bobo. You're chance match now.
Media. More now your confidence. Barry early days in the season.
Yeah.
When you say this season over break. Maybe meow combi. Wa be meow wow. Wa be come on. No, I was really a poko. I won't press your neck too much. You press your own neck. Which and a chubby boy.
The first game, yeah.
Joshua Budi said baby a Fulham one is in West London and they call there almost from on Broadway.
Okay.
It's not supposed to be any game aggressive biasa. It's a game Chelsea now about a body game. First game of the season. Which Adia Bakwa very interesting. Me person me touching say it's Abiana Champions alone so permanent for Madrid. Did he ever think that his next league game was going to be Nipo Babe replacing at Madrid? Was he a permanent for Madrid? And on one down for Abelo Abeji Ejumani here. Did he ever think so Okoye Juma Biema the first official league game?
Obasana Abaloa
against Nipo Chrono be replacing in a local derby. Meaning a lot of the Premier League analysts, panelists are saying because Chelsea will not play in Europe, because Chelsea scored any Chabi along so Chelsea can give Arsenal a run for their money. Which it starts tonight. Me Adeba Kwa me pe o Chabi in this last few weeks our band say he seems to want to build a team that is complete. And one thing is that which one is saying say who your manager now co team be maybe I also about 3 backer. One thing here, it is easy for the opponent to now find what are the downsides of 3 back. No prepare the ambition. It will share Chelsea in pre-season match be optimistic that with 3 back now for about 4 back. And that is why they bought the kind of players that they bought. Because results bet me about right back, bet me about right center back. Palestra bet me about wing back, or bet me about right back. Bet me on Jaro Hato, bet me about center back, bet me about left back. So it is that complex style and structure. Say only too easy to be found out. No? That is what today I want to see. Say nature bit me pay the football that you play, physicality and your thing, and then exert the dominance against Fulham. Which I think said they are going to be successful. Right. And then you may your match
okay.
Ana you go away to Fulham and share that game be as even say you didn't crown up. At least it's
double chance to be.
And the Chelsea match, any few matches be a war honum, Spanish La Liga games so honum, Italian Serie A games so honum, and then you best have kofikasi, and now you have 2 coats, and then you confidence say Anya should cry back. You better not change the real Champions League. Nimiti Utimia first code no BW6B448807. Second one no BW6B411198. Third one no BW6B410278F. Fourth one BW6B40FO3D and the last one BW6B40E1B3 on all social media. Fiifi Manfred Okwarich.
Okay. That's in Nano Payna. As if I am talking my Dennis from Insurance 4.5 and the edition of Insured Guitar Passwords and I think Konyama AD and Como.